We're going to read Raindrop Plop by Wendy Cheyette Lewison. One little raindrop, dark, dark sky. Two little raindrops, clouds go by. Three little raindrops, splat, splat, splat. Four little raindrops, boots and hat. Five little raindrops, shiny red coat. Oh, do you see the worms? One, two, three. With a little puppy. There's the raindrops. One, two, three, four, five. Six little raindrops. Bright blue boat. Do you see the boat? Let's count 6 raindrops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Seven little raindrops plop in a cup. Do you see the cup? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here they go into a cup. And 8 little raindrops. Umbrella up. Oh, there's lots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 little raindrops. Puddle fun. 10 little raindrops. Still no sun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 9, 10. Too many raindrops. Run, run, run. Here she goes back into her little house. What's that? That looks like some fun for a sunny day. Back in the house now. That is that. Off with the raincoat. Off with the hat. She goes hanging them up. What's the puppy doing? 10 little toes in a nice warm tub. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9 soapy bubbles. Scrub-a-dub-dub. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Baths are fun. 8 fluffy towels, soft and white. Here they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 brass buttons, shiny and bright. Where are brass buttons? Here they are, on her jacket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 tiny marshmallows float in a cup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Looks like somebody else wants some of those marshmallows too. 5 small pretzels. Gobble them up. Nom nom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 furry squirrels want something to eat. see them? 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 hungry birds. Tweet, tweet, tweet. There they are by the feeder. 1, 2, 3. 2 bright eyes. What do they see? She looking. 1, 2. Out of the window. Out by the tree. What does she see? What do you see? Raindrops stopping. 1 by 1. No more raindrops. Sun, sun, sun.